Budget resort with private waterfall. A resort has very limited number of rooms, all designed in such a way that every room is few steps away from waterfall or this natural water pool. Mine was this. The cascading water trails down the property and you can hear this sound. Every individual hut holds 2 rooms. Interiors are completely made out of hardwood, which will surely enhance the vintage feel. Credit goes to my wife Mahima for searching this place to make our long weekend longer. Property is Rain Country Resort in Wayanad, Kerala.